What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Still out in the Inland Empire. Had to hit up Redlands. There's a Nike outlet here. Let's go see what's up. If we're going with the last visit out in Cabazon, I'm not really expecting much, but man, we still gotta check, man. That's what we do here, right? Dang, starting with some Snoop Dogg on the loudspeakers. Okay. Our good news is I do see some more interesting pieces here. A little more of a variety. That's always good. Haven't checked the prices though, so we'll see what's up with that. Got some Air Force One mids, size 10.5. Retail. PG 6s. Go for 90. And they do edit that no smoke weed everyday part. $130 for these bad boys. The acid washed, is that what these were? I think these were the Dunk High 85s though too. Yeah, slightly better, but yeah, that's way better material. Dunk High 85s. Yep. It is retail though. Got some Tentacumpos, $70. That's size 8 though. Metcons, these are pretty dope. $130 for these. Jordan 1 Low Golf. These are fire, dude. Jordan 1 Low Shadow Golf. Maybe if these were on sale, I might grab these. The regular price, I ain't paying no regular price for no Golf. Come on now, dude. Come on now, dog. But yeah, man. I got my what is it? The Royals. I got those on sale, but Nike not really hooking us up with sales right now. $140 for these. Think I'm in the size 10. At least we're finding a bunch more interesting pieces. $140 for those mids right there, Air Force One mids. Got a ton of these. It looks like these just came out the aisles. Guess I'm going down in size. Got some Prestos, Weatherman Prestos. Go for 90. Air Max 97s go for 185. White with gum. It is a suede material though, which I do like. Has that established in 1997 for the Air Max 97s. Comes with a card that does go over the air technology. That's actually pretty dope. Shows the air unit. Okay. Yeah, no, I'm not paying retail for that though. Size 9.5, go for 70. These are some Zion 2s. Pegasus 39s go for 90. Dang, seeing these Jordans everywhere. This is the first time we've seen it for a regular price. Wow. Size 9 and smaller gonna be over here. Yeah, the price difference and stuff, that's definitely interesting. Air Max 90s. I've never seen this colorway. Oh, I have seen this colorway. Never mind. Got like snakeskin right there. Got zebra fur looking stuff. Oh, okay. All right, we've seen these. Retail though, and it's been worn. Looks slightly worn. Yeah, man. Throw that in the refurbished program and stuff, man. See if that other one was mispriced. No, man. Wow. Free runs going for $65. Blazer mids going for retail. These are 8.5. LeBrons, these are down to 100 at least. Air Force Ones going for 100. Witness 3s, haven't seen these in a while. Holy crap, $50. Size 8s, Fly's going for 135. Nike by You, Infinity Run Flyknit 2s. Oh, by 3s, my bad, $130. Normally 190. Holy cow. Yeah, that's definitely why I haven't done any Nike by Use. Hella expensive. I know it takes 2 weeks. I have ordered one. It was an Air Force One. All right, now we're checking the bigger sizes over here. Air Max 95, size 11. Quick Strike, go for regular price. The material on this is super interesting. So much stitching on it. Got these right here. The Air Zoom GT2 cuts. Go for retail. Harachis go for 90. Checking the size 12. They got some Terminators. I've never seen these Terminators up front. Pretty interesting. Kind of got a Dunk vibe to it, but this front area is way different. Of course, that big old Nike sign, that's also different as well. Snakeskin for this one. Okay. 12.5 retail though, man. Got some PGs. These are the Hot Wheels. Definitely interesting. Let's go for retail though. How long is PG gonna have his line of shoes, huh? Like his sneakers really haven't been moving. Cosmic Unities, I saw that red price. I don't look, retail. These are the 13s, by the way. Air Force One mids, $150. Some of these Kyries, are these on sale? 50 bucks? Holy cow, okay. Okay, if you can find one of these, $50, that's a steal. I did check that on the Nike app. They do have plenty of size here. The question is, are they all marked at 50 bucks? That's pretty dope. They have, I think the small size they have is an 11. But at 50 bucks, that's a steal. Still with the size 14s, these are down to $140, 97. We've seen these for cheap though. What size is this? Size 15s Air Adjust Force. Never even seen these in person. Seen them online, but I've not seen these. This is an Ambush collab. It's been worn like crazy. Oh, it hasn't been worn. It's just been smushed. Doesn't look worn. Just smushed. That is definitely interesting. Size 15. Oh, that leather is just hella soft. Wow. 210 for those. Another one of these Kyries. This is 140 for size 18. Zoom Freak size 15 going for 50 bucks. And right above that, we got some Blazers going for 60. All right, let's check out the aisles. Wonder if I have time to go to one more spot out here. Kind of on a time crunch. Checking the aisles, we do have some Metcon 7s, slight discount. Do got some Metcon free 3s. Another one of those. Must be low on stock. Got empty shelves, dang. Another one of those. Tons of Nike signs. Air Force One React. Terra Escape, Air Max 97s. One of the OGs right here. The bread colorway. This one is fire, dude. I really like the colorway of this one. Seen these hella cheap. Air Max 95s. Gore-Tex Air Max 90s. Air Max 2090s. Got like 5 of these. I think this is the cheapest one. Another one of those. And the last one right here. Quick Strike Air Max. Quick Strike Air Force One mids right here. This one pretty soft, dude. Pretty soft suede. Seen these. Another colorway, slightly different. Got some Hirachis. Got soldiers, more soldiers. This is rough. Witness 4s or Witness 6s, my bad. Witness 6s. Man, it's kind of a rough trip, you guys. Kind of a rough trip. At least we did see some interesting pieces in the clearance section. And this is actually not a bad find as well. $90 for these. This is the Jordan 1 Low Golf. The Jordan 1 Low Golf tend to be way better material than just the regular Jordan 1s. Does have slightly different traction as well as right there. But yeah, these are dope, dude. These are dope. Dang, I got that for somebody. Might be worth it, dude. I think I got mine for 90 as well. Hydro 6s. Got some Jordan Access. Another one of these. Got Max R's, that type of stuff. Nobody's dying to see those. I don't even see like any really premier running sneakers. Just Pegasus Next Natures. Got some Pegasus right here going for 80. We've been seeing the Pegasus for hella cheap. Trails going for 90. Just like Cabazon, no sales, even on the clearance clothing. You know, unless you find something really, really fire at a really, really good price, I don't know if it's gonna be worth it. You got a poofy jacket, look, $225 down to $225. What? I don't know. How many guys are looking for poofy jacket with butterflies? I don't know. Yeah, just definitely not seeing much. This is a pretty dope jacket right here. This one's pretty dope. Kind of like that Letterman flavor, but without the leather arms. Yeah, it is an XL. 140? 140, normally 2 bills. That is an XL. But really, not much. Not much. Man, Nike Outlet's definitely disappointing. I'm gonna hit up the Ontario Mills later this weekend. I don't know if I have time today, but I think I'm gonna do that. Just not much interesting going on at Nike. Yeah, I think that's it, man. I think that's it. We're gonna cut it short.